In the summer of 2008, I left the safety of my London home to investigate a local legend of the vast, untouched forests of northern Sweden. This creature had never been recorded by science. The only knowledge available were eyewitness accounts, and this expedition was the first ever made. I aimed at becoming the first ever non-Swede to witness the Polar Wolverine. I would like to apologize for the poor quality of the recording. However, funds were short, and since electricity was somewhat luxurious in these parts, I was forced to use a low-powered device. I'm in the deep, untouched forests of northern Sweden, in search of an infamous creature known as the Polar Wolverine, a very rare creature that lives only in this region. It is in fact endemic to the north of Sweden. Known as the crocodiles of the north, they carefully stalk their prey and attack when you least expect it. Now, after weeks of searching, I believe I may finally have come close to finding the creature I have been looking for. Let me show you my most recent find. As you can see, the snow is quite deep, and there is no human life to be seen. These remains of what appears to be a blonde Swedish woman were quite obviously most fed on quite recently. As you can see, there is not much left, and there is blood splattered everywhere. I'm afraid this is not a very uncommon sight this time of year. During the Swedish summer, when the temperature goes as high as minus 30 degrees Celsius, the Polar Wolverine is most active. Since these tracks are quite recent, I believe we should be careful. It would be quite close. I can unfortunately not discern any tracks in the snow. However, this is most probably due to its very, very effective way of covering itself and its tracks to most effectively pounce its prey when the opportunity is given. I have detected movement in a clearing up ahead. This is a very dangerous situation indeed. I believe it is a male, which will pose a problem if I have actually walked onto its territory. They are known to be quite ferocious. Luckily, I believe it has not spotted me yet. Its hearing is actually quite poor. I have detected movement in the forest up ahead. This is indeed a very great moment. I may soon be the first non-Swedish person to see the Polar Wolverine in its natural environment. I will attempt to move closer. However, the snow is making it quite difficult to move, and this is very strenuous. I do believe that my resolve in completing my quest will provide me with the energy I need to find the Polar Wolverine, come close enough to it, and snap the first picture ever. However, I am not sure I have the energy to... I sensed my life was in immediate danger, and I was forced to run. My funds at this point were too low to continue the expedition, and I had to return to England. However, I knew that I had come closer than anyone before me, and I still aim to return with larger expedition in the future.